Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located in the cool, scenic, and friendly area of Confidence Avenue, Mandeville, is this tastefully designed 10-bedroom and 8-bathroom mansion. It offers the ideal solution for a large family which desires personal space and privacy for each member, while leaving adequate room to entertain those special house guests. Also, it presents great potential to the entrepreneur who desires to invest in the hospitality or real estate businesses. The premises is partially occupied and needs only minimal renovation for full functionality. This is a middle to upper income community and ranks amongst the most desirable in Mandeville. The land area is approximately 11,754 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 70 million or US $454,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.